Hello guys, good evening. I'm here to show you guys how you can directly link your Audiomack account to your Distrokid account. Firstly, you would like to click on this menu bar, then you scroll down and choose special access. When you click on special access, just scroll down, you'll see connect your Audiomack. You can directly click on it. Then it's here you are to choose your artist, which artist you are going to connect it. It is not one artist account. This one is already one artist account. You can see Flash B is the artist name. Then I'll just click on connect. When I click on connect to my account is already linked. I already log into my Audiomack account. It will take me to this if you are already logged in. But if you are not already logged in, it will ask you to log into your Audiomack account. When you log into your Audiomack account, it will redirect you to this place where you go. Just click on authorize. When you click on this authorize, then your Audiomack boom is already connected. And here is where you can actually submit your Audiomack account to your account. Then you just click on your music if it is on already on all platform. Here's the music. Then you just scroll down. At this add extras, you see Audiomack, and you see it's for free. When you see it, just go scroll down and add selected features. That's it, and you can do it for the other music, your music. That's it.